Hi viewer, today I like to show you how to set any song as ringtone on iPhone. Let's have a look. First, open GarageBand app. If you don't have GarageBand on your iPhone, you can download it from App Store. It's free. Tap on the plus button on the top right side. Slide and find out audio recorder. Tap on audio recorder. Now tap three broken line on the top left side. Tap plus button on top right side. Tap section A. Beside manual, tapping on the value and make it 30. Tap outside on this box. Now it's the time to import music. Tap on this circle button from top right side. You can import music from files or music folder. I have some music on songs folder. Now tap and hold on the song and drag it to the empty area. Your song imported. Now you can listen and edit your song for ringtones. When editing done, drag it to the starting section. Tap down arrow button on the top left side. Then tap My Songs. Now tap and hold on the song and tap Share button. Then tap Ringtone. Type a name for your ringtone. Tap Done and tap Export. Exporting as ringtone. Tap Use Sound as. Select Standard Ringtone. That's it. Ringtone created. Now go to Settings. Tap Sound and Haptics. Then tap Ringtone. And my new ringtone selected. So these are the steps to set any song as ringtone on iPhone in iOS 13. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap on red subscribe button. Also tap on bell button to receive notifications about all new videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching.